70% of Earth's surface is ocean. Yet 95% of it remains unexplored. Beneath the waves lies a world of alien landscapes, mysterious creatures, and secrets that could rewrite science. I'm your guide at the Geographic Eye, and today, we dive deep into the heart of our planet's final frontier, the submarine world. The ocean isn't one place. It's many worlds stacked like a cosmic layer cake. Let's descend. 1. Sunlight Zone. From 0 to 200 meters. Here, life thrives on photosynthesis. Coral reefs, the cities of the sea, burst with color. Sea turtles glide, sharks patrol, and fish dance in shimmering schools. Descend just 200 meters, and sunlight fades to gloom. This is the Twilight Zone. A world of perpetual dusk. Here, pressure builds and temperatures plummet, forcing life into shadows or light. Over 90% of creatures here wield bioluminescence. Jellyfish pulse like living constellations, shrimp unleash blinding light bursts to escape predators, and squid vanish behind ink clouds. 3. Midnight Zone. From 1,000 to 4,000 meters. Total darkness. Bone-crushing pressure. Yet life persists. Vampire squid, giant isopods, and eels with jaws like traps. 4. The abyss and trenches. 4,000 meters and more. The deepest point, Challenger Deep, is 11 kilometers down. It's quieter than space, colder than ice, and home to bizarre, pressure-proof life. Surviving here requires evolutionary genius. Meet nature's ultimate engineers. The immortal jellyfish. When injured or old, it reverts to its infant form, essentially resetting its life clock. Giant tube worms. At hydrothermal vents, they thrive in 400 Celsius degrees heat and toxic chemicals, with no mouths or gut. They rely entirely on symbiotic bacteria. Humpback anglerfish. Females wield a glowing lure. Males are tiny parasites that fuse onto them for life. Sea cucumbers. The ocean's vacuum cleaners, recycling nutrients across the seafloor. These aren't monsters. They're masterpieces of survival in Earth's harshest environment. Forget Atlantis. The real wonders are real. Sea mounts. Lonely underwater mountains taller than Everest, teeming with life. Over 100,000. The ocean floor. Hydrothermal vents. Black smokers. Spewing superheated, mineral-rich water, creating oases of life in the desert of the deep. Brine pools. Underwater lakes so salty, they create a deadly mirror on the seafloor. One misstep, and creatures are pickled. Sunken history shipwrecks like the Titanic become artificial reefs, preserving stories and ecosystems for centuries. The ocean never sleeps. It's a global engine driven by currents, massive conveyor belts like the Gulf Stream, distributing heat and controlling global climate. Tides. The moon's gravitational pull creates daily rhythms that shape coastlines and guide migrations. Waves. Born from wind, traveling thousands of miles, a constant sculptor of our shores. This motion sustains life. Phytoplankton, tiny surface plants, produce 50% of Earth's oxygen. We've barely scratched the surface. Pioneers. From crude diving bells to James Cameron's 2012 solo dive to Challenger Deep. Tech revolution. ROVs, remotely operated vehicles, and AUVs now film, map, and sample depths we can't survive. But our reach has consequences. Pollution. Microplastics are found in the deepest trenches. Chemicals seep into fragile ecosystems. Overfishing and mining. Deep-sea trawling destroys ancient coral forests. Mining for rare metals threatens undiscovered life. The deep isn't just a curiosity, it's Earth's life support system. Protecting it isn't optional. The submarine world holds mysteries that could cure diseases, unlock climate secrets, and redefine life itself. It's a realm of darkness that illuminates our planet's past, present, and future. As explorers, protectors, and curious minds, the next chapter is ours to write. What will we discover? What will we save? If you're fascinated by our planet's secrets, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. This is the Geographic Eye, helping you see the world deeper every day.